So hello everyone, today we would be testing a method हमने सबने पढ़ा होगा गूगल पे that if the set is not working we can heat it up and it might work for a few seconds or it might not completely work at all. So let us check if it is work or not. So basically this device is not working as of now. Let me just show you what happens. It is just stuck into this boot loop. Nothing happens, it just goes on like this. So we would try to heat air gun for this. I heat air gun. I do not have the workstation, the hot air gun workstation for this, that is specifically designed for mobiles. I do not have that, so we will work with what we have and let us see how well this method works or not. So let's start. So let me just quickly open it up. I have already desoldered it using a heat gun. So there is a paste that is applied here. So you need to heat that paste and open it very gently so that the back panel would not break. And after that you can just take off this back cover easily. So there is this type of, if you can see, this is the glue that is being applied here. Carefully, very gently you will open it up and it will open without any problem. Now we need to unscrew some screws, so let me take the correct bit for this, and there are many screws, so let me just open this up very quickly and then we will be back. Alright, so I have opened up all the screws now. Now we need to take off this panel very slowly and gently. There are locks here, so very smoothly we will go. Here we go. Take off this. Now gently we need to remove the battery and the display. I guess we have to take one more screw down. Cool. Okay, so it is up now. Very gently we need to take them out. Alright, so the motherboard is out. We just need to check where the CPU is installed and heat that section up. Also note that we have to remove this layer of this copper type of coating because it prevents and spreads the heat from getting into inside and also acts as a heat dissipation unit. So let me just check the CPU is installed. Okay, so I have checked the CPU and it is this block here, that is the CPU unit for this. So I will just slowly remove the shielding. And one important thing, all these things are I'm doing is just to test, is for test purposes only. So do not try this at home. Get it to a certified professionals who would work it better and get your set into a working condition. Very carefully place them here. And you can also see this MediaTek. This is the processor. So first thing we would do is let me now importantly, one important thing, we need to cover this up into aluminum foil so that other components may not get damaged. So I will take some heavy duty aluminum foil. Keep that in mind, you have to use a heavy duty aluminum foil or else the component may get damaged, and we do not want that. So I will place this very slowly. Alright, so now other components will not get damaged. Now we have to heat this CPU and check if it works or not. Alright, perfect. So let me just quickly grab this heating gun. Okay, that's enough. We do not want to get it wet for so long. Do not touch it for few minutes. Let it cool so that if the solder has been desoldered or it has been melted, so it would position itself, align itself at the right positions. So we do not want to disturb it right now. We will keep it like this for a few time till it gets cool, and then I will see you again and let's check if it works or not. Alright, so now it has cooled down a bit. Let us just put back all the connections. No, so it is again and again booting into the same loop. So I guess it does not work. Maybe it would work with a heat gun that is specifically designed for mobiles, but I do not have that right now. But I don't think this matter works. So it would be really good if you guys consult with the certified professionals for this, or else you might get into getting your device damaged. So I would not recommend this method at all. Do not try this at home. Get your phone to a certified professional. They will repair it perfectly, and that would be a good option. So I hope this video was informative for you. I hope you learned something and what to do, what not to do. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.